Hi, so in this video I will briefly explore the dashboard of Analytic Piano. If you click on dashboard, you are moved to the main dashboard page. You see that there are two sub menus here, one for practicing and one for teaching. Again, every user, in this case this is my student Analytic Piano user, every user can see both the practice and the teaching tools. We don't actually distinguish between them. As a practicer, as a student, you can see your activity, your subscriptions, and your preferences. As a teacher, you can create exercises, playlists, which you can think of as units in a course, and then courses, and you can also see your subscribers. Those are the students that are taking your courses or practicing the exercises, the units, and the courses you have created. And you can always go back to Play View if you'd like to. So I'm going to log out now and actually log back in as teacher at Analytic Piano. So now we'll see how to make a very simple exercise. Let's say I wanted to teach a perfect authentic cadence. I could choose to show harmony in Roman numerals or perhaps figured bass. I'm going to choose harmony in Roman numerals in this case and in keyboard style. And all I have to do is play the progression and then hit save here. This will create the exercise. And now the site asks me what type of exercise I want. I'm going to use matching for now. We're going to go through all the different types over a few videos, but I'm just going to put one here. If you don't put anything, it'll go for matching, but you can always change this option later. And then for the visibility pattern, again, I'm just going to keep it empty for now, or you can put N. No, N would be none. Just empty for now. We'll just keep it simple. And then intro text is a little bit of text that the students will see when they perform this. Again, this is something you can change later, but I'm going to write play the following practice playing a perfect authentic cadence. And I'm given this prompt here that tells me the ID of the exercise I just created. I can copy it now and remember it, or I can see it later. Either way is perfectly fine. So now if I go into my dashboard and I go into exercises, you can see that this exercise was created. There were no exercises before, and now there is one exercise. I can go in and edit the exercise. I can give it a description. We'll call it perfect authentic cadence. And I can decide some things about rhythm here. Again, we'll not do that right now. I'll just save for now. Maybe save and close. And now we can load this exercise. And this is how your practicers, your students, will use these exercises to practice. You see that the notes that I played are now shown in sort of a grayscale, grayed out. And now I can practice this progression. If I play it, when I play the first chord, the app shows me that I did correctly. And then at the end, the app gives me a little bit of information about the tempo that I was playing it in. And then the number of stars signify the accuracy. This is something that you may decide to use, or you may decide not to use. I can go back to the beginning of the exercise. I can refresh the exercise and do it again. Let's say I got some note wrong. And you see that it says incorrect, and the note D is highlighted in yellow. So instead, I can play the right note. Again, I'll play a wrong note. I got it wrong. Now I got it right. And then it says finished with errors, and it only gave me 2 stars